Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how the ZS B2B gateway app works. So this app provides a seamless wholesome experience. The best part, it adapts perfectly whether you are on a standard Shopify plan or utilizing the Shopify Plus native B2B features. So at first we'll go to the applications, and here we can create a form. Now let's add a field like radio button or any other as you want, and then save the changes. So the form is saved, and now we can see it from the storefront. So after that we need to go to the store, and at first we need to enable the app here from the app embed, and we can see the app here. So on the back end, we can choose whether we want it as a pop-up model or embedded. We can also customize the animation, brandings, and the success message. So from the front end, the user can see this form and fill up according to their need. Suppose I am filling it. So after submitting the form, user will see a success message here, like the application received, and the store owner can see the application form from these applications. Here we can see a pending. After clicking here, we can approve this approve application, and the user will get a email in their mail address. As we can see, the application is approved. For standard plans, the app creates a Shopify customer account and automatically applies a specific tag to them. So if we go to the customer, we can see here we get some tags, whichever customer we choose. Suppose this one I created just now, and here we can see some tags. So we can use these tags to the product we want to use. Suppose here we can add that tag, so that for that user will get a discount. So hello everyone. So now we will see how the Plus Store works for this ZS B2B app. So this is my Shopify Plus Store, and at first we have to create a form like the regular store. Mm, let's choose long text and click save. So the form is saved now. So then we need to do the same thing, like edit theme and enable the app from the app embed, and we will see a pop-up. So here after that we need to apply for wholesale. We need to click that button, and after a form pop up, and the user will give the information. So after submitting the form, the user will receive a notification. So after that, the owner will see the client from that application section, and from here we can see the discount and the email. So the owner can approve the applicant from here. So in this plus store, we need to select a catalog. So for this, at first we need to go to the market catalog, and we can create a catalog from here, like we can say discount testing, and after that we can give a 30% off for every product, or we can choose individually which product we want to give discount. So for now I'm choosing every product and clicking save. So we can see the catalog is created. Here we can see the discount testing. So we can use this catalog to give discount to our every user. So while we approve the user from the applicants, we can choose catalog, which discount we want to give to that particular company or user. So here is we can see discount testing and approve application. After approving, the user will get a email notification. So now that particular user will get the discount that we have given to that catalog sections. So that's how the ZS B2B app work for the Plus Store. Thank you.